So, yun nga, katulad dito yung sa 25C, meron siyang built-in na honeycomb tsaka
Ito
home
yan.
diffuser.
Ito yan. So ito no. So
Protection lang.
tapos pwede mo lagyan ng mga
So, because this light, depending on the position of where you put it, has different effects. Okay, so we'll start with this. And then we're going to go around her and we'll see what happens, okay? May kapag ito, wala.
I'm really my workflow talaga ay like color grading. So I've not tried this. I think nagamit ko lang sa
Pink lang, sir. Kaso malaki. Meron na ba kayo?
Apo, 10,000.